first time coming to the channel, I'm Ron, and this is Beard Guy Workshop. In today's video, I'll be making a brick wall cutting board. This style of design I've been wanting to do for quite some time. It's kind of almost like another woodworking rite of passage, making a brick wall cutting board. So yeah, it's been on my to-do list for quite some time. This board actually really got pushed to the forefront of everything that I've been making because I wanted to dedicate it to my Uncle Gene. He recently passed away. So this video and this project is dedicated to him. I connected the brick wall pattern to him as being, he was a very strong man, very capable man, one of the very few, male role models I had in my life. And yeah, he was an awesome person. So I dedicate this project to him. So, Godspeed, Uncle Gene. And yeah, so yeah, this is for him. This one's for you. Yeah, without further ado, man, let's jump right into it, let's get right to it.
Perfect.
All right. The project was one of the most beautiful things I've made so far. As far as for me, for personal reasons, that I explained at the beginning of the video. The whole time I was making this cutting board, which really you saw clips and stuff of that nature. Really was like a few minutes for you, but this was a few weeks really taking my time and really enjoying this project. And the whole time I'm making it, I'm thinking about my uncle. So yeah, I got something out of it. I hope you got something out of it. And there's a few more things that I want to make. I want to continue to just build upon my skill set and just do more complex designs and patterns. And other things besides cutting boards. But just in case you haven't noticed, I really enjoy making cutting boards. So it's pretty much it's like the multiverse of projects. It's just infinite. There's so many patterns and designs that you can just come up with. Some you can just look up online. Some you can come up with yourself. So I got some stuff coming down the pipeline. More complex patterns. So stay tuned. All right. I don't like to ramble on, man. We got stuff to do. I got stuff to do. We're busy people. It's almost the next year already. So we got stuff to do. All right. Be safe out there. Keep your head on a swivel. Give this project a try. Give my other projects a try. And man, I see you when I see you. Peace. Take it easy.
I think my heart probably better off with this little bitty box where the sun don't shine and you can't see all its scars. See, it's a dark, dark world when your lights turned off and a chance don't feel worth taking anymore. Yeah, I'm so walled off that my walls got walls. So if you